For this example, we've been asked to express the following fraction in terms of its partial fractions. So to begin, we will say that 5x minus 14 all over x minus 4 times x minus 1 can be written in the form a over x minus 4 plus b over x minus 1. Now we can use this form as these are both linear factors in the denominator. So to proceed, what we do is multiply both sides by x minus 4, x minus 1. So on doing so, we'll get 5x minus 14. And on the right hand side, we get a lots of x minus 1 plus b lots of x minus 4. As you can see that when we multiply through by x minus 4, x minus 1, this factor of x minus 4 on the bottom cancels, and the factor of the x minus 1 on the bottom here cancels too. So all we need to do now is choose our values of x so we can calculate a and b. So looking at this bracket here, we can see that when we substitute in x is 1, this bracket simply disappears. So when x equals 1, the left hand side becomes 5 minus 14, which is minus 9, and the right hand side is simply 1 minus 4, which is minus 3, so we get minus 3b. Therefore we get that b equals 3. Now looking at this bracket, we can see that when x equals 4, this whole bracket goes away, so the left hand side becomes 20 minus 14, which is 6, and the right hand side is just simply 3a. Therefore we find that a is equal to 2. So we have our value of b, we have our value of a, so we can now just write down that our partial fractions are a over x minus 4 plus b over x minus 1, and so that is 2 over x minus 4 plus 3 over x minus 1. So as you can see, we have expressed this fraction in terms of its two partial fractions.